Jigger Tricio Sammartino, a BTV-TED Food and Service Management major with a strong foundation in culinary, food safety, and hospitality. My academic training, hands-on kitchen experience, and involvement in school activities have equipped me with skills in teamwork, leadership, and time management, preparing me for success in the industry.
Can you tell me about your educational background and any relevant coursework or projects that have prepared you for this role?
As a BTV-TED Food and Service Management major, I studied and food preparation, menu planning, kitchen management, and hospitality operations. As part of my course-related extracurricular activities, I led a team in a catering event projects, managing menu creation, food prep, and customer service based on industry standards.
I see you were involved in an extracurricular activity in club or organization. How did that experience help you develop skills relevant to the workplace?
Um, I was an active student in class, and as part of my major, I often took part in organizing catering services for school events. These experiences helped me build my leadership, communication, and organizational skills while also giving me hands on practice in coordinating events and serving customers.
What part of your academic journey excites you the most? Why? Can you describe a project or assignment from your studies?
Um, One of the most exciting parts of my journey was getting to experience real kitchen operations. It gave me the chance to apply what I learned in actual events, work alongside my professors, and see how things run in a fast paced environment. I enjoyed the challenge. It taught me how to adapt quickly and stay focused under pressure.
Can you describe a project or assignment from your studies where you had to collaborate with others? How did you contribute to team success?
In our catering services class, we were assigned to plan and carry out a catering event for our culminating activity. I took charge of kitchen coordination and food preparation. By staying organized, delegating tasks, and keeping clear communication with the team, we were able to deliver a smooth and successful service that was well received by everyone.
Is that proficiency in a specific tool or technology or impression? Tell me how you use it in any of your academic projects. What challenges did
I am proficient in Microsoft Excel, which I use to manage inventory and perform cost analysis for a mock food costing activity during an event.
you face during your internship or academic projects? And how did you overcome them? How
One of the challenges I encountered was maintaining consistent quality under time pressure during food preparation and serving. I overcame it by practicing better strategies, staying calm under pressure, and communicating well with my team to ensure efficient distribution.
manage your time when juggling multiple academic deadlines or projects? Can you share an example of a time you successfully managed competing priorities?
Um, I prioritize tasks by breaking them into manageable parts. For example, during finals week, I had practical cooking exam, a written test, and a teaching demonstration. I do the hardest and most consuming task first, and completing everything on time with quality results.
I noticed you volunteered in a specific organization or event. How did this experience help you develop soft skills like communication, leadership, or problem solving?
I volunteered during HM Week event or Hospitality Management Week event. It helped me improve my communication and teamwork skills as we had to work with limited time and resources. I also learned to solve problems on the spot, such as adjusting food portions and reassigning tasks based on team availability.
What would you say is your greatest strength, and how have you demonstrated that strength during your studies or any other experiences?
My greatest strength is being able to multitask things. I demonstrated this during our culminating activity where I cook a main dish while helping pack other dishes. My ability in multitasking helped our group meet quality standards and earn high marks for both taste and plating.
Looking at your resume, it seems like you have a strong interest in a specific field. How do you plan to continue developing your skills and knowledge in this area in the future?
I am passionate about food service. To continue growing, I plan to pursue certifications in bread and pastry, attend culinary workshops, and gain industry experience. I also aim to become a future educator, so I am committed to continually learning to inspire and train the next generation of food service professionals.